Hi, welcome back to our page Philippines. So, this video, gawin po natin ang weekly horoscope para po sa may mga sun, moon, and rising na Scorpio. If you're new, subscribe, like, and share. Kung hindi po alam po ano yung sun, moon, at rising nyo, importante kasi siya. Sa end po ng video, we have a link for this. Tandaan natin na readings, they are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. This is for April 11 to 20. And, invite rin kayo to gain access po sa ating mga exclusive and extended readings and additional perks, you can click the join button sa baba to be a member. Para po magpabook ng private readings and spellworks and daily horoscopes po, you can message us in our Facebook page and an admin will help. At sa nais po mag-donate, you can use the thanks button sa baba, yung parang heart. Okay, so Scorpio, how are you, my dear? So, meron tayo dito, the star and time for a nap. Overwhelmed ka na? Overwork? Overthink? Ano pa mga over gusto mo? Kasi, parang gusto mo na siya, kolektahin eh. Ano pa ba? Overwork, overthink, overwhelmed, ano ba? Ang dami. Ando na hindi mo na alam paano mo sisimulan yung mga bagay-bagay eh. You don't know how to go about. Andoon na parang actually baka sa inyo nalilimutan nyo ng yung mga basic process to take care of yourself, nalilimutan nyo na there will always be responsibilities around us, Scorpio. Pero hindi na mauubos yan. Pero yung lakas mo, yung attention mo sa sarili mo, yung oras mo, yan, nauubos yan. Use it wisely. Andun kasi na you need to also find time to regroup yourself. Kumbaga, di ba parang sa gera, kaya nga may mga retreat na tinatawag. Kasi ito yung retreat, dito ka mag-a-assess. Ano na ba yung nagawa ko? Ano ba yung advancement ko? Ano ba yung mga kailangan ko pang gawin? So you can know to what direction you need to go. Yun yung gusto ipalam sa universe. Now, yung crossing mo din naman is the King of Swords and the Fates. Dude, bawasan mo muna yung mga ginagawa mo. Hindi lahat yan is kailangan ng full attention mo. Hindi lahat yan kailangan doon ka nagpo-focus. Kumbaga kung nag-touch ka ng puno, ang hirap makatapos sa may 10 kang punong pinuputol. Isa-isa lang. Or kung may magkatabi, then do go. Kung ano yung pwede mo mauna, yun muna. Hindi yung isa-spread mo sarili mo na sobrang nipis na pwede ka na mag-break anytime. Now, yung crossing mo din pinapakita sa akin dito na may mga bagay na nag-interfere ka sa mga concerns sa ibang tao. Pwedeng problem sila, pinagdadaanan nila. Pero hindi mo kasi chinecheck muna kung dapat ba makihalubilo ka doon. Dapat ba na tumulong ka, mag-extend ka ng assistance. Bakit? Kasi yung iba doon, parusa ng Diyos sa kanila. Ginagamit ka as scapegoat para makatakas sila sa mga nangyayari sa kanila. Dude, limit the help that you are giving. Kasi, kapag napansin nila nagagawa nila yon, mauulit na naman yung nangyari sa nakaraan na pwede kang gamitin to their advantage. So, kalma-kalma lang, ha? So, your desired card is the Nine of Swords, tsaka All That Glitters. Happy ka ba talaga? O sinasabi mo lang happy ka para tigilan ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo? Kakatanong. Kasi yan doon yung point na even ikaw nape-pressure ka na, yun isa sa mga pressure mo that you'd like to have that genuine connection, yung malalim na connection. Kasi yun yung isa sa mga about something general about the Scorpio, di ba? Na andoon na yung point na once you connect, you really connect. Ang hinahanap nyo is yung that deep connection. And there's a lot of disappointments in the past na akala nyo okay na, ang ganda na nung usap, ang ganda na ng inyong balitaktakan, ganyan, kwentuhan, then nga. Kasi all this time, they were just using you pala para sa emotional, healing nila. ikaw naman, umaasa ka na sana this will be a good time para, or this will be an opportunity para magkaroon ka ng deep level of emotion connection. Nga. Wala. So, yun lang naman hinahanap mo eh. Yun lang naman yung parang someone who could tell you the truth while listening to your own truth. Kasi, yung sinasabi nila, all emotions are valid. Hindi dahil madali para sa kanila is dapat madali na para sa iyo. We are all different eh. Na yung foundation mo is the 5 of Wands and deep knowing. Siguro andun yung point, no? Kaya until now, you're just dreaming of that deep connection. Kasi nga, there are things in the past that really triggered a lot. Na ito na nakakatawa lang kasi karamihan ng mga tao na sa paligid mo, what they know is only the surface. Wala pa kasi nagtanong talaga ng buong story. Wala pa kasi nagpangahas, wala pa nagbigay ng oras para alamin ano ba talaga yung mga pinagdaanan mo. Ang alam nila is the surface or the recent stories. But the deeper ones, wala. Hindi nila alam. Kumbaga nakabaon na sa baol mo. Nasa baol mo yon. Tinatago mo. And andoon na, yun yung kasi, kaya yung ginagawa mo, di ba? You're trying to ask people, you're trying to spend time with them para mas makilala mo sila mas malalim. It is yun yung silent mo na message sa kanila na, wait, ginagawa ko sa ito, pwede bang gawin mo rin para sa akin? Ay, may mga sa inyo parang andoon na with the 5 of Wands. You've been very supportive sa mga passion. You try to push people for excellence, pero siguro may mga tao talagang tamad lang. O yung mga tao, hindi lang ma-appreciate yung ginagawa mo. And they cannot reciprocate. Kaya doon, siguro, dami mong disappointments talaga din in terms of your here. And kahit sa past mo, yan, the Knight of Wands, siya kasi never-ending story. Alam mo yung point na, isa sa mga siguro kinakainis about your past, yung tipong, ang nagiging dahilan nila kaya ayaw kang tanungin or ayaw kang lapitan kasi baka magalit ka. Malamang, is a natural reaction. Ikaw ba naman na ma-disappoint? They're using that to cover the fact na ayaw ka nila talagang kausapin o ayaw ka nila makontak. Yun yung, kung titignan ng iba, o nga no, nakaawa baka magalit kasi, pero the reality is, they're just using it as a front para iwasan ka talaga. Kasi ang daming mga bagay about the past that you're still, in a way, you're still looking for an answer and you want it to be resolved. The Knight of Wands actually, willing, yung part mo na, willing ka mag-move forward pero you're just waiting for some people to really apologize. They're just waiting for some people na parang, andoon na magsabi ng totoo lang sa'yo. Kasi, yun nga prefer mo, di ba? Mas prefer mo na harap-harapan kang sabihin masaktan habang sinasabing totoo rather than binaplastic ka kaya habang masaya ka. Now, your possible future, we have here is time to go and the card of the Lovers. Now, there will be a moment of isolation talaga din sa'yo. Andoon na you might find time para lumayo muna sa mga tao. Ito yung moment na pwede kang siguro lalabas ka mag-isa or whatnot or maybe staycation. As long as andoon there will be solidarity, there will be silence. Yun yung tatargetin mo, yun yung gagawin mo so that you can give yourself the chance para mas marinig mo ano ba talaga yung hinahanap mo pa. Ano ba talaga yung desire mo? Is it really that deep, ito lang ba yung surface level na deep connection? Or is there something more that you are desiring? Tayo natin alamin mamaya kung ano yung deep desires mo. Kasi, one of the relationships na medyo nabibigyan mo na wawalan ka ng attention is the, what you call as the intrapersonal relationship, which is necessary. Ano yung intrapersonal? Google mo. So, kung naka-resonate ka sa readings, tanda meron tayo extended and exclusive readings available para sa members. And to access that at maging member, i-click nyo po yung join button sa baba para nagkaroon din kayo ng additional benefits. Now, check natin. Tuloy natin yung reading mo. So, yung physical environment mo is the Page of Wands and Poised. O, diba? Sorry Scorpio pero minsan talagang, sorry sa term, pero minsan nagiging plastic ka rin, no? You're portraying this awesome person, this strong person, napakita mo na, no, I'm good, I'm okay, gagawin ko ng paraan yan. Pero deep inside, ayoko na. Deep inside, gusto mo nang, I want to give up. Gusto ko nang bitawan to. I'm tired of this. I don't like this. Ando na yung point na yun eh. Alam mo, personally, isa sa pinakamahirap na ginawa ko is magpanggap na okay. Kahit hindi. Kasi mabilis ma-trigger yan eh. Yun yung mga moments na konti lang, it could trigger us a lot. So, ito na yung sinasabi ng card sa'yo. You need to show what's really in your heart. If you're tired, sabihin mo. Pag ayaw mo na, feeling mo na nababastos ka na, feeling mo na natitake advantage ka, aminin mo. Kasi hindi lahat ng tao are matured enough to understand what we're trying to show them. Minsan kailangan diretsuhin sila. Your emotional environment is the Page of Pentacles and Observer. Siguro doon lang, no? Naging parang filtering system mo na lang na kapag hindi nag-respond properly yung isang individual sa'yo o group of people, you tend to just walk away. Yung sasabihin nila, bakit hindi mo kasi in-explain ba? Dapat nag-explain ka, ba't ka nag-walk away? The mere fact na walang respect sa'yo, why would you need to explain? Doon pa na sa first part, hindi na nag-respect eh. What more kung mag-explain ka pa? And I would agree with you na if you need to walk away, do it. That's your action, stand by it. Yun lang kapag nag-walk away ka, nag-walk out ka, be sure na papanindigan mo. Huwag tayo magpapahabulin mo ako, mag-walk out ako. No. Let them also see the seriousness. Kaya sabi nga, let them also see yung ano yung nawawala sa kanila, the mere fact na nawala ka. Now, your hopes and fears is judgment and here and now. Well, daw magtataka, may mga iba sa inyo talaga, focus kayo sa career nyo, at may mga characters in your past, you will consider them discontinued. Yung mga tipong, okay, nandun sa social media mo, pero wala kang pake, hindi mo pinapansin, dead maton ka. Kasi, andun yung point na, they're part of your history na lang. And all you want right now is to move forward. Kasi sa future mo, Knight of Cups, tsaka no place like home, saan kayo lilipat? So there will be some reunion sa parating. There will be some reconnection. Andoon na merong may iba sa inyo pwedeng aalis ng residence. Bakit? Kailan? At saan? Let's all check that in your extended reading. Para ma-access mo yon and with the additional benefits, i-click mo lang yung join button sa baba. Remember that the readings were for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. And if you're new, subscribe, like, and share. So maraming salamat. God bless, Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be, and hope to see you in our extended readings. From Dominican Hill here in Baguio, have a great day. I'll see you soon.